Hi everybody, how are you? In today's video, I want to talk about if SEO dead or not. You see, as soon as some changes happening in the marketing world, SEO world, some people's technique don't work for them. So they spread the word online and talk about SEO is dead, digital marketing is dead. You see, in the past, people used to use keyword stuffing. Even unrelated keyword, they stuffed their websites with different keywords in order to rank higher in search engines. And in every country, they used to use those techniques, or they used to use doorway pages. Now, time has changed. Those techniques, those strategies don't work anymore. So now what? Now Google is not just Google, all search engines are equipped with artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep mind, deep learning. So now the thing is, it's about user experience, entity optimization, semantic search optimization. It's about how to drive naturally traffic to your website, because search engines have become very intelligent, very smart. It's not like before you buy traffic and then you rank higher. Now, search engines, because they have artificial intelligence, they see the pattern of traffic coming toward your website. Sometimes you optimize well your website, and in terms of higher speed, has a better speed optimized for speed, and still you have some problem. Then you have to look at the content of your website. Does the content resonate with your audience? Or sometimes your server is not performing well, which let down your website and SEO activities. So you see, SEO is very much alive. SEO is not dead. It's just the way we optimize are different today than in the past. So the thing is, you should try to write content that resonate with your audience. Today is about mobile friendliness. The majority look at through mobiles to different websites. They buy things, and social media optimization and promotion. And if you will optimize your website, if you use SEO strategies correctly, then you pay lesser for advertising. Search engines know that. That's why they are changing constantly their algorithms, because they want to attract more users toward their websites and gain more market share. All search engines want to get as much users as possible toward their website and services. So you see, SEO is very much alive. Another thing is, I have a good news. I, for you, this is one of my books, which is published in the beginning of July by De Gruyter and Mercury Learning and Information. And it's a good book. They're distributing it in North America, and after that, other countries in the world will be using at the postgraduate and undergraduate level. It's about everything is about. I don't know if you can see it or not. Sorry, I don't have better. Uh, so it's about artificial intelligence, um, and the role of AI in digital marketing, in different processes of digital marketing. For example, I talk about search engine algorithms and the role of AI in search engines, and video creation, AR, VR, and the future of search engine. Actually, I published a book about the future of search engine and search engine evolution. And usually when I talk about, I predict certain aspects of technology comes true, it happens. And I talk about how search engines work, and what future holds and what's going to happen. I don't think I will be on Earth by then, but I have predicted for the search engines in next century, and I highly recommend scientists and researchers to read the book. And anyway, those who follow me on my social media channels might get a free copy of this book, especially if you're a student, because they are distributing it everywhere. And I also wrote some other books about large language models. If you are interested in invention and inventing, you might want to read that book. And neural networks, machine learning, and nanotechnology. I talked about nanotechnology in the past, present, and the future of nanotechnology. And until next time, have